make glue sticks now. I've been mixing it with get a glue stick, any glue stick I use. This one. So I've just been mixing it. Now you need is just glue, you don't need anything else. Okay. It's been working out. I don't know if it's gonna even work.
What's this, Mama?
Just wanted to try it because I've seen it on YouTube.
Baby lion. We seen those at the zoo. They were asleep up on the rock. By the monkeys whose butts were showing, remember?
Yeah, we went to the zoo today.
Look at her laugh. She laughed funny. You got a funny laugh, I think.
Look at her.
It makes me laugh when you laugh. Kelly looks pretty on your skin.
I know.
My ears are wet.
She laughs like a dude.
I don't know how to fake laugh.
So it's what I have so far. It's not even raining. Okay, so okay, has it been working out so far?
What's this complicated?
Toots and
What's this
I'm
called?
using a baby plate, like a fake baby plate.
What?
Let me see the butt. Let me show her. That's what she's reading. I was just showing my fans.
Gotta do it.
No, you don't.
I don't need my baby girl.
So, as you can see, this texture is not working out. And all I add is just glue. It's just glue. Mom, you're weird. These are my fans. This is my second video on my YouTube channel. I really don't know what my YouTube channel is. I made one with my sister, so go check it out. And if you would really like my video, if it would turn out good, comment down below if it will or not. If it will, then say it will. If it won't, then say it won't. Okay? And give me, hit the subscribe button, turn notification, gives you a huge thumbs. So the texture has not been working out very good. It's been 30 minutes and 51 seconds and 3, I don't know what that says. Still mixing. I'm gonna get all the glue that I put in here. Right, we'll have a whole bunch. And this is just glue. If you're wondering what glue I used, then I already showed when I first started. It's just glue stick, nothing, and I don't know how to do it. What does this say right here? Gotcha. The phone. Okay.
I'm big.
See, I think that's how you say glue stick. Okay.
Mom, I don't like this.
Okay.
This.
And there's nothing in there. She wouldn't say. So this is all the blue. I'll just put this in. So, what have you guys been doing this week? If you're wondering what school I am, I'll say it down in the comments. I'm at school in 99. It's fun. Just excited if this works. And if not, then I'm going to be mad. Sadly, they just wasted all my glue. So, that would be sad if it would not work. But it would be fair because I just...
All around the fish tank wet. You can see it whenever you open the crate.
It's not working, you guys. Keep on mixing it. How is there glass in the fish tank that I don't see any of it when I feed the fish? Ashley sent text. Okay. Right? Don't ruin my video. Okay?
Okay.
I don't know. Let me feel it. Let me feel it. Ew, it feels so disgusting. So this is the slime.
Man, hell no, I'm not picking those toys up.
It is not working now.
You better get out and do it.
So I'm gonna keep on mixing it. Okay, let's get this off my fingers. And keep on mixing it. I'm not a waster. So every glue that I touch, I gotta use. My mom doesn't like this wasted stuff.
See, I need to be the, what's it called again? Incredible, so I can make my go over here to his phone. Look.
Mama's crooked. I'm gonna keep on mixing it. I'll maybe add some erase. It's not working out so far. My glue did not work. It literally did not work. Okay. Your battery's about to die?
So I'll see you later, friends.
No, it's on 10%.
7?
10! I'm just mixing it with my finger.
He's 2. He don't even know where a Mocha Patrol car is.
Bye. I'll see you next time in my video.